So today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a barbell deadlift. Now this is a great exercise that activates the hamstring, glutes, and also the lower back. Now when doing this exercise, the first thing you need is obviously a barbell, which I already have placed right behind me. Now, before doing this exercise, if you're doing the deadlift, alright? Now the deadlift is a very advanced exercise and a lot of individuals usually get it wrong. What happens and what I usually see is when people are doing the deadlift, they usually do the deadlift like that. Alright? With a bent back, okay? You don't want to do the deadlift with a bent back. You want to have a nice, strong, straight back, okay? Because this is going to really prevent any type of injuries. Now, if you want to learn how to do a deadlift a little bit more properly, and this exercise is a little bit too advanced, then you probably want to incorporate some type of half rollers. Now, if you want to see that type of exercise, please go on to how to do a barbell deadlift with half rollers with your toe on top, or click on the link on top of the corner of the screen. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how to demonstrate a barbell deadlift. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and step real close to the barbell, okay? And then you want to space your feet at least shoulder distance apart, all right? Now, the most important thing before going into the barbell deadlift is actually the starting position, okay? Like I said, you do not want to start the position like that, flexing all the way over at the waist with a totally bent back, and then when you're lifting like that. I mean, just me demonstrating how to do it improperly looks like an injury is about to occur. Don't you agree? So when you're doing the barbell deadlift, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and have a slight bend in the knees, okay? You really want to push the butt out, keep the chest out. This is pretty much called a strong athletic stance, all right? Now you want to go ahead and lower the body. Have your hands placed on the outside of your knees. Really keep the chest up, really push the butt out, okay? Because by doing this, you're really going to activate the muscle groups more properly. Now, when I'm about to begin, now this is how I do it. This is how you do a barbell deadlift.